In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the number of emails per page in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open the settings panel. From the quick settings panel, click See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page where you can customize different parts of your inbox experience. Once the settings page opens, make sure you're in the General tab. This tab usually opens by default and contains several basic configuration options for your Gmail account. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Maximum Page Size. This setting controls how many email conversations Gmail displays on a single page of your inbox. Next to the option labeled Show Conversations per Page, click the drop-down menu. From the list, select your preferred number of emails to display. Gmail typically allows options such as 10, 25, 50, or 100 conversations per page. Choosing a higher number will allow you to see more emails at once without switching pages. However, if your internet connection is slower, or if your device takes longer to load large inbox lists, selecting a lower number like 25 can help the inbox load more quickly and smoothly. After selecting the number you prefer, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page. Once you reach the bottom, click the Save Changes button. Gmail will then apply the new setting and return you to your inbox. When the page reloads, your inbox will now display the number of email conversations per page that you selected. You can always return to the same settings page later if you want to adjust the number again. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.